Okay, so this is 2 weeks after a 2-level lumbar decompression and 1-level sort of non-instrumented fusion, and the other one was a dynamic stabilisation. And you went home on the same day, and how do you feel at the moment?
Good, yeah. As I was saying to you, good. I guess it's just a little inflammation and stuff, but other than that,
Excellent.
really good. Yeah.
Can I see you bending side to side? Good.
This is the first time I've done this.
Yeah, and the other side? Brilliant.
Feels alright.
Bending forward slightly? Excellent. And can I see you walking?
Yeah.
Good. And how do you feel with your posture?
Pretty good. I feel like it's something I need to work on. But yeah, I mean, I feel comfortable.
Do you feel, can I see you on a side?
Yeah. Should I take that off to see?
Yeah.
I think I've always had that.
Oh, it's good. That's good. Perfect. Excellent. All right.